Hey YouTube, what's up you guys? So today, right now, it is Wednesday. By the way, the lighting is a little bit weird because I'm using my vanity lights and they create like this like weird stripe thing along the camera. I don't know why. I'm getting ready to go to an event. It is Wednesday, February 6th. I feel like February has somewhere to be because why is it going so fast? Everybody was saying January was taking forever, but truthfully, I feel like it's an illusion. I feel like January went by really freaking fast. Because when you think about it, like we were just celebrating New Year's Eve and Christmas and like it's crazy. But anywho, the event I have today is for Silver Jeans. I love Silver Jeans. I just partnered with them last year. I think it was around May of last year. And that's when I discovered them actually. Ever since, I became a huge fan because I tried their jeans. And you know, if you're thick, you know how hard jeans are. Okay? You just have to be really particular about your jeans. And I found Silver Jeans to be just so perfect. It stretches, it has a good stretch, but it's not like baggy. It fits the body really, really nice. I love their jeans. So whenever I find a company that knows how to make a good pair of jeans for curvy women, I'm sold. Because I realized from all the jeans that I've had trouble with that it's not an easy thing to do. So if you can figure it out, you got me. Okay, brows are done. I don't know why they took me forever just now. I had a whole cup of coffee and somehow I'm still tired. I don't know what's happening lately, but sometimes coffee actually does the opposite of what it's supposed to be doing. And I don't get it. I don't like that. I'm going to go in with the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Peptides plus Niacinamide plus HA Set It Up Primer. I haven't tried this primer. I did try their setting spray recently and I actually liked it. It was decent, but I haven't tried the primer. And this is supposed to be like a blurring primer. Ooh, okay. Well, it's a little creamy, so this is going to be interesting to see if it really blurs. So this event is a like rock and roll type of event. Like that's the theme for the event. Silver Jeans just does like little theme get-togethers. I love it because I love a good theme. So I got like this rock and roll shirt off of Amazon and then I was able to pick some jeans from their collection. So I got some black jeans. So we're going for like a very like a black look. And then let me see. I think I saw like yeah, this is kind of like what I saw. Like I saw the stars on this girl's makeup here. And then I have this like Milk Makeup star stamp, tattoo stamp. So I was thinking of like maybe doing something like that. What I had in mind originally was just like a really good smoky winged liner. I feel like that just screams like rock and roll kind of like makeup, you know, like very dark. I love you, baby. Yeah, you drive me crazy. You're my renaissance. Yeah, all I want. But yeah, I'm going for the all black. I feel like a lot of people are probably gonna go for the all black. So I'm trying to think like if I think I should do my makeup first. My foundation first. So I'm gonna go and do my foundation first. I'm using the Rem Beauty foundation in medium 4N. So yesterday, my mom got me this Gel X kit, which I've been wanting for a while for Christmas. Because I do my own nails at home. I use press-ons. Sometimes I just paint my bare nails. And sometimes I do like my own press-ons. Like I'll put in just like the same thing that you do with the Gel X nail. Like you put on a fake nail and then you paint them yourself. So I did Gel X for the first time yesterday. I hate this design. I was this close to just taking it off. I wanted to do obviously some Valentine's Day nails. I used this base for my what do you call this? My pedicure. I did like a French pedicure, so with the white line, and it looks great, but with the red and the pink, I feel like it just looks a little cheap. I don't know. I didn't really like that. But it's okay. I feel like I'm just gonna rock it. I was gonna take it off and start again and maybe just do like all pink or all red nails and call it a day because I just don't have a lot of base colors. And these aren't even gel polishes. These are regular like nail polishes. So I have to still get like the right polishes for it. I'm just so tired. I'm actually debating if I should like go make something else to drink because why do I feel tired? Did I wake up early today? Oh, that's why I feel tired. I did. I think I woke up around like 5 or 6 and I usually wake up around 7, 8. So I had like interrupted sleep and also I didn't really get good sleep last night. It was like very choppy. Like I kept waking up and I hate when that happens. But I kept waking up, twisting and turning and trying to find it. Okay, I'm going in with the Rare Beauty Liquid Contour. This is a soft pinch contour, I think, and this is in Solace. I love this stuff. I feel like they have really mastered the formula for like liquid contour and blush. They've mastered, and the packaging is perfect. Like I don't, something about this just, I don't know. I love it. I love it. That's all I'll say. And I'm going to use my same foundation brush to blend that out. I feel like it becomes more seamless when I do that. It's so hard to be a woman. Like, I wish I could be on deeply feeling just motivated all the time. But sometimes, like, especially when it's about to be that time of the month, like, you just don't. Like, your body really just wants to rest. And it's so hard to keep up with that feeling, do everything, and, you know, knowing that you still have to, like, keep moving. I just think it's crazy. All I want to do right now is crawl into bed, watch crap TV, which, by the way, if you hear anything, I'm watching TikTok live. I'm always on somebody's TikTok live. My eczema is like terrible. I'm sick of the winter. I must say that. I'm so ready for the spring. I've never, like, it's been a long time since I've been ready, like, for the summer. Since I've just been over the winter. It's been a brutal winter. Anywho, I'm finally gonna get around to trying this. I'm gonna go try this off camera. It's the Huda Beauty blush filter in Birthday Cake or Ube Cream. Yeah, I'll be back. All right, even though my heater is still doing heater things, I did try one layer of the blush. I feel like it didn't really show up. Like, it's there, but it's not really popping. And I'm used to Huda, like, I use watermelon, and I'm used to it popping, like really popping. So I'm not quite sure if, you know, like, I don't know. I don't know why it's not popping for me. I see it right now, but... you know, it's very faint. I'm okay with it, but I guess it's just not what I was expecting. I was expecting a lot more of a pop. But it's something about how subtle it is that I do like that. Especially being a former blush hater, I do like the subtleness of it. It's kind of weird because it's like there, but it's also like, it's giving like a weird glow, like a brightening thing. I don't know, but it's doing something. I'm using the Born This Way Too Faced. This is like a little travel size one. I don't know why. I've just been grabbing the travel size one. I have the full size one somewhere in there. Guys, let's talk about the Grammys real quick. Or let's not. Let's not. I will say though, this is the first Grammys that I thoroughly enjoyed. I think we were like 2 hours in. I looked over at my fiance and I was like, I'm actually like enjoying the whole entire award show. I'm agreeing with the picks. I think that the people who deserve the awards, it's who it's going to. This is kind of crazy because we all know it's not like that with the Grammys all the time. It's not. But somehow, some way, they did great this year. And I'm so happy that my girl got Album of the Year for once. I wasn't expecting it for this album. I will say that. I wasn't expecting it for this album because I thought, you know, she continued to get a lot of hate. So these Frenchie lotions are literally everywhere. Like, I have like 5 in each room. So I've been using the heck out of them. It's not necessarily very moisturizing for my eczema, but as long as I keep it moisturized, it'll eventually get better. I wasn't expecting it for this album because she has so many like other qualified albums, and she got so much hate for this album, but I'm just happy that she finally got the award that she worked so hard for so long. That's what I will say. I'm gonna go see if I make myself a little like espresso coffee or like a tea. I feel like a true addict right now, but honestly, I need a boost, and plus I need to refill my water, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I just blended out my concealer and I made myself like a little baby matcha. It's really good. My fiance had got it for me. I forgot where he got it from. I think it was Whole Foods, if I'm not mistaken. I think it was Whole Foods. I just realized my sneakers were missing and I'm like, oh yeah, I did just wear them. Anywho, yeah, it was Whole Foods. And it's like a mint matcha. So it's like, yeah, I just finished that off. But anywho, I'm finally gonna try this very like, I feel like it's viral, but maybe it's my FYP. But the Huda Beauty Ube birthday cake. So this very purple setting powder. I feel like today is the day that I will try this, obviously. I just tried the blush. And I think I need to get tweezers because my nails are not letting me open this BRB. All right, we're back. I think that I just kind of want that bright under eye. And I think this will give me that. Gonna use it with this little baby powder puff. Oh, okay. That's a little baby. It's a baby sweep there. Wow, okay, I see. Huda Beauty powder is what I've been using for the last like couple months, and I will say that the formula is fucking amazing. I'm super duper late to the party because their formula is amazing, honestly. Their powder and then the one size powder have been mostly I go for the Huda because honestly, like sometimes I just go whichever one I see first, and Huda has the powder has been like right in my face every time. I think this looks good. All right, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like I've been rambling and my makeup is taking me just a little longer. I'm thinking about going off camera to finish it up, my job. And also as a person, like one of my goals is to just, I've gotten better at like socializing, but I feel like I could do even better. You know what I mean? Stay in the moment and not think so much. Not let social anxiety just take over. Because a lot of times I'm just like thinking in my head, wait, did I just say that? Or wait, was that awkward? Like, oh, what are they thinking? And I don't like that. I don't like that. And again, I've gotten better with that also, but I don't know. I feel like obviously there's always room for improvement, and I want to fully feel confident in my skills to just converse with anybody because I'm more than capable of doing so. All right. I'm gonna go finish up my face. I'll be back when I'm putting on my lashes. Should I do it? Should I do it? Should I do it? I got these from Kiss way back for their Halloween collection, and they're like bedazzled lashes. How crazy, but how cute. And I just feel like I'm waiting for the right moment to wear it. And then I'm wearing black and silver today. You know, I was like rock and roll. And I'm like, let me see what it would look like. And then maybe I could decide. You gotta scream until there's nothing left. These are heavy. Well, it feels like I've been seeing that trend on TikTok. I love Camp Rock. That was a good movie. Said here I am. All right, let's just like put it there and see what it would look like. Let's see. Oh, all right, that looks like a lot. Oh, ooh. Oh my God. I think I'm gonna do it. I think I'm gonna do it. Is that my man? If that's my man, I'm gonna ask him for his opinion. That is. Hi. They look good, right? If I put this lash on, it looks so like boom. Like pretty though, right? You got me coffee?
One is pistachio latte. Other one is a mystery one. Because they gave me it for free.
Okay, you can take whatever. I had coffee, now I'm having matcha, and if I have another coffee.
You want it or no?
Yeah, which one you want? You take the mystery
Taste
one.
and which one? One is hot.
Oh, you ordered this one?
I was gonna order two, but anybody want a free coffee?
Okay.
And then everybody was all bougie.
Free coffee. Oh, just a smile? It doesn't even say what it is. I'll take it. I'm not gonna drink all of it, but I'll take it. So I should do the lashes, right?
Yeah.
All right, y'all. I'm gonna do it, and I'll be right back. I did it, and I love it. Okay, now I'm trying to decide where I want to put the star stamps at. I feel like right here, or should I do above the brow? Should I do like above the brow and then like down here kind of thing, you know, so it could be like asymmetrical and like complement each other in that way? Decisions, because if this could either make or break the look. You can't take this off after it's done. You know what I mean? Can't even sketch it out. Like it's just, you gotta either go for it or don't. And I'm thinking above the brow and down here. Let's use some setting spray because I'm not gonna do it after, and put some highlighter on. So this is the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Peptides and Niacinamide Lock It In Setting Spray. I love this setting spray. Just drink some water because I have way too much caffeine in my system. Oh, it's 3:33. I'm thinking like I usually ask for a +1 for my events because my social anxiety, you know, it just makes me feel better to have somebody that I know with me. And for a lot of them, I've been trying not to ask for +1s because I'm trying to, you know, get better at it on my own. So for this one, I don't have a +1, and now I'm starting to get like, oh, I made a oopsie. which I really didn't. I know this company already and I know people there, but still. This stuff, by the way, because I don't see anybody talk about it, the Too Faced Pillow Balm Lip Treatment actually fucking works. My lips get super duper dry in the winter time, and New York City has been brutal. And this has done like magic. It's not just all talk at all. At all. It actually does help. I don't know what's in here, but, and this is in the original, by the way, made in Canada. So they know what they're talking about because there's a hella cold over there. Anywho, all right, let's get to these star stamps. We want the star. I think I'm going to go right here. Let me look at it. Yeah. Yeah. I'm scared. Okay. Just go. Just do it. Just wait. I need to put mascara on my bottom lashes. I need to see everything first, you know what I mean? Where's my mascara at? There was one time I was around this like person. They're from Australia. I love Australians. I love their accent and everything. But I get a little confused on how to reply to certain things. So like one time I had said thank you for something and they were like, "That's all right." And I was like, okay. Like, what am I supposed to say after that? Am I supposed to say something after that? Damn, usually when I take my time on my makeup, it doesn't come out good because I'm putting too much effort. It only comes out good when I'm rushing. But today, so far, I mean, I've had a little mishaps, but it's been doing good. All right, let's just go for this star. We got it. Oh, we did it. Okay. All right, should we go up here now? Should we do that? I think so. Like right here, I think. I have to darken that one a little bit. Is one enough? Now I'm starting to feel like it needs more. Okay, this is what I went with. I went with 3 up here and this one right here, just standing solo. I feel like this is good. I don't want to add the 3 here. I feel like it'll be too much. I feel like it's just right now. So I'm gonna go refresh my hair so I could get dressed and be ready, because now I have like 40 minutes before I have to leave. Still a long time, but my hair does take quite some time. All right, BRB. All right, y'all. Started getting dressed. I was thinking about cutting the neck out of this shirt to make it more like, you know, like jazz the outfit up, but I don't know. I wore this to their last event, but I feel like it goes with today too because it has stars. It's very rock star-ish. So I'm gonna wear it too. I have the black silver jeans. This rock and roll shirt I got off Amazon. This like, I feel like I'm gonna cut the neck out. I feel like it'll just jazz up the shirt a little bit. I also bought these like, I don't know, bracelets. I think I'm gonna put them all on the same wrist. Should I do this side instead because the belt is on that side? Yeah, let's do that. Do I have to head out soon now, like in the next 10 minutes or so? How fast time flies when you're having fun. Literally though, I do want to just go lay in my bed, but I'm grateful to have events like this that keep me going. Let's put a lip on, and then I got some like star earrings. Let's try all of that out. Okay, you guys, this is what I decided to do. I decided to cut the neck out. I put my hair up very sloppily, but I kind of like how sloppy it looks. I think it added to the look completely, and I don't know. The face tracking ain't face tracking. I like how messy it looks. Things are starting to get chaotic. I have to go now. I'm not in a rush, but I have to go now. And I'll show you guys around when I get there.
Of the Spring 25 season, our Spring 25 campaign, and also the brand building journey that Silver Jeans is on. David has photographed some of the most famous people in the world. He's also worked with some of the most iconic and meaningful brands in the world and bringing them to life in extraordinary and unexpected